MrBeast play button's evolution. MrBeast hasn't just broken records with videos, he's also collected some of the rarest play buttons on YouTube. The first big milestone, at 10 million subscribers, YouTube awards the iconic diamond play button. MrBeast received a special custom red diamond play button, an award given to only a few creators ever. Crossing 100 million subscribers made MrBeast one of the biggest creators in YouTube history. And then came 200 million, making MrBeast one of the fastest growing channels in the world. If growth continues at this pace, a 300 million subscriber play button isn't far away. Comment below, which MrBeast play button do you think is the most legendary?